Tell me about yourself, first of all. You've been 21 years doing people's taxes, and that's a business for you. Tell me about it.
Well, 21 years and degree in accounting, bookkeeping, and other multiple degrees. You know, in all of that time, I was in the ministry for 32 years. So it's about helping people, being in relationship with others, working through good times, bad times, and so there's a connection with that and what I do in tax preparation as well.
Absolutely. As a minister and a tax consultant, they do actually, they combine along the same road in a lot of ways, don't they?
They do. Yeah, because people's lives are not, they're not just one way, they're multifaceted. And so as a tax consultant, I can ask some questions and help people recognize or maybe come to understand some things that would be beneficial to them in their tax planning and also in their estate planning as well.
Yeah, you cover things like wills and powers of attorney.
We do. We offer a new service to our clients called Legal Shield, which offers an opportunity for them to be able to speak with attorneys if need be, but also provides an opportunity for them to have wills, living trusts, living wills, and medical power of attorneys, which as we get older become more and more important.
Let's take both sides of the tax spectrum, because you cover both business and personal tax. On the personal side, it's not just filling in the form at the correct time. It's a year-round thing for a personal tax.
It is, because people's taxes are affected year-round. It's not just April 15th. And the decisions they make throughout the year, and that's why we're here year-round. We're not just here from January to April. But we're here year-round. We're open every week, and but yeah, decisions they make, and a lot of times they're unaware of those decisions and how that affects their tax liability or their tax benefit. So.
And you really are into building that relationship with the person and helping them get the most out of their taxes.
Yeah, we want to establish a relationship with people. It's not just them sitting down and laying a bunch of numbers in front of me, but I want to hear what's been going on in their lives throughout the year. And sometimes in that conversation, you can hear things that will benefit them and help them. So that's the relationship we want.
And of course, if the worst comes to the worst, it's great to have somebody that's on Main Street that can help you with those nasty letters that you can get from the tax companies.
Oh yes.
The IRS.
Yeah, the IRS sends out letters to people. We call them love letters. And oftentimes when people get those, their first response is to panic. And then to wonder what they were going to do, and check flight schedules and see if they can leave the country and that kind of thing. But we're here to be an advocate for people when they have a tax liability or they owe additional taxes. And oftentimes we can save them through our tax resolution service thousands of dollars. So.
And one of the scariest things, obviously, of course, is when you get audited. Which can be you've done nothing wrong at all, but it's just a random thing. Mm-hmm. And you can help them with that?
Yes, we have a program called Sure and Secure, and that program will provide representation and help in that time of auditing. Many times the IRS is on, just looking. They're not necessarily sure exactly what they want to see, but it's good to have somebody there to say, yeah, these are justified deductions, and here's the reason why.
So basically, don't leave it until the last of April. Come and see you now and start planning for next year.
That's right. We want to plan because, the old saying, those who fail to plan will fail eventually.
Absolutely.
And
So let's look at the business side of things. You tell me the range of services you can offer a business.
Well, we offer bookkeeping, helping small business, and that's our primary focus is small business, and we want to help them establish a solid bookkeeping system. It's one we can do for them, or we can teach them to do in-house, although that can oftentimes get a little overwhelming if they're focusing on their business. We primarily help them set up a balance sheet, profit loss reports, do trial balances, all of the things that are associated with running a business so that they know where they stand at any moment throughout the year.
So you've been here roughly 6 to 8 months in this particular building, and you've been an accountant for 21 years. You've got all the experience to come that anybody would need, business or personal, but not just accounting experience. You have a wide range of life skills, and I believe you're just retiring from the ministry.
Right. I served as a United Methodist minister for 32 years, and also served in the military, in the Army as a chaplain. And so I would, not to be overly braggadocious or anything, but to simply say I think I have had experience in working with people in all scenarios of life, and different good, bad, whatever it may be. I've had that experience, and a wide range of understanding. So whatever I hear from people, they may be panicked. I guess what I want to do is calm them down and help them to understand that we'll get through this, and this too shall pass.
So you've got the integrity to build the relationships. You've got the experience of being from the ministry, of being empathetic and in front of people and understanding. And you've got the experience from the military of going in to fight for your customers.
That's a good way of putting it. Yeah. So that's what we want to do. We want to be advocates for them. We want to stand up for them, because oftentimes in tax situations or financial situations, they feel all alone. They feel like maybe they've made a mistake and now nobody's there to help them. But we're here to help, and we are here to listen, and also to hopefully develop some friendships as well. And we know that we're here to help them in business and in their finances, but we also feel like a friendship goes a long way as well.
How do people contact you?
They can find us on the web at www.mackeytaxpro.com, or they can call us. Our office number is 828-559-2188.
That's great. And I advise you do it right now, and don't wait until the forms come out in January.
That's right. Don't wait. Don't wait.